The brakes are completely dead! They aren't working! Help me! I can't stop the bike!
This brake cable has been deliberately oiled. Someone did this.
That's even better than I thought it would be. Fine. We do it quickly, then we leave. Good. Follow me. Done. He won't be able to stop now.
You're so brave. I'm proud of you.
When your wrist heals, I'll train you myself. Will you let me?
This time I'll damage the chain.
Enough.
I've practiced every corner 50 times. Did you check your bike?
Always inspect your bicycle before racing, Tom.
Dad, you worry too much.
Champion's eggs. You'll need your energy today.
Can I carry Tom's bottle? I'm bringing my torch. I always keep it ready.
Everyone ready? Let's go.
I've been ready since 5. I need to win this. I have to.
Lane 4, Watson. Ready for you.
She looks perfect. I'll win.
I can see Tom already, Dad.
He looks confident. Good sign.
I've already done something terrible. Tom! Tom! They should be cheering for me, not for him.
Something looks wrong with his bicycle today.
He checked it. Stop worrying.
Riders, are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
I'm in front. I can actually win this race. Caught you, Watson. I'm right here. You'll need to go faster. The brakes are completely dead. They aren't working. Help me! I can't stop the bike. Tom! Tom! Dad! He's fallen badly.
Stay here. Amy, stay with Lily. That's my son. Let me through. Medical team is already with him.
The brakes stopped working.
I've got you. Don't move.
I didn't think he would actually get hurt like this. That's even better than I thought it would be.
You're so brave. I'm proud of you.
The brakes stopped working.
This brake cable has been deliberately oiled. Someone did this.
Why did the brakes stop?
Someone made them stop. I need to see the security camera footage from last night. I can see their faces clearly.
That's Ryan Hartley, rich family.
Someone was in the equipment room last night. I'm checking now. I'm copying everything. I'll need this for later today.
Broken wrist. No racing for 6 weeks.
The finals are next week.
You're still my champion.
I made this.
A real champion never gives up. Remember that.
It still hurts, Dad. I've been trying to sleep, but I keep seeing it happen. I've got them. Don't worry. I'll pick these up.
Thank you, young man. That was really very kind.
Is that you? Holding a trophy?
A very long time ago. I was national junior champion.
3 years. Then why are you here?
Winning honestly is the only real winning.
Someone stop me.
Show me exactly how they failed.
I squeezed hard.
They slid away. This wasn't an accident.
Dad found oil on the brakes.
When your wrist heals, I'll train you myself. Will you let me?
Burning legs mean you're doing this
They're
right.
completely on fire.
You need to feel the brakes before you actually need them.
I brought your water. Drink it now. You've come every morning, Lily. He's still training. He's been coming here every morning. We should tell someone what we did. You'll lose everything, Ryan.
Your father sent me this. I needed to see it myself.
Ryan watched Marcus do it.
He watches you train every morning. You're re-entered.
The finals are Saturday. I'll be ready. I've trained hard.
I'll show the footage at the ceremony.
It'll change everything, Ben.
Tom's come back. I need to stop him again tonight. Help me stop Tom tonight. No, never again. I've done this before. I can do it alone.
I've been waiting for you to come back here.
This time I'll damage the chain.
Enough, enough. We've been watching.
I wasn't doing anything wrong. I came to stop him. I want to tell everything. I was there. Marcus oiled the brakes.
I know. Tell me everything.
I should have stopped it before it went this far.
Your parents are waiting outside. Come with us.
The crash wasn't serious. Training every morning really matters, Arthur.
It matters. Today, it all matters.
Everything checks out, Dad. Brakes are perfect. I told the truth. I will race honestly.
Mom, I've still got my torch.
Welcome to the finals! Let's race!
Let's race properly today. That's all I want. Brakes are perfect. I practiced this turn. I've been getting faster. I can feel the difference. He's getting closer. He's been training harder than I thought. This is the final lap. I've trained every single morning. I'm passing him. I can actually win today. I won. I actually won. I've really done it.
Tom won! He did it! He really won!
The winner of this junior championship, Tom Watson! I need to show something important to everyone. Before the ceremony continues, I need to show something. Go ahead, sir. We'll pause the ceremony while officials address this footage. Delete it. I'll make it worth your while. Don't say that here, sir.
Truth isn't for sale.
Do you know who I am?
This boy trained every morning for 6 weeks.
Your parents are waiting outside. Come with us, Marcus.
I don't deserve this. I wasn't racing honestly. He gave it back. I didn't expect that.
You won by training honestly, Tom.
I helped. I brought the water.
I've told the truth. Now what? I've been looking for Ryan. I need to find him. Why are you here? You should hate me. Next race, fairly. Just us.
I've seen this before. It begins now. Same time Monday. We have more to do.
I'll be there. My scoop is bigger. I won today.
That's not how it works.
What should Ryan do next?
Tell us below. Where are you watching from today?
Next time, I'm checking your bicycle first.
I'll have already checked it, Dad.
I knew my torch would be important.
I always knew.
Yeah, you were right.
I've started writing down everything I wanted to do differently. Ryan came. I wasn't sure he would.
He asked me. He wants to train.
Ryan, you need to feel the brakes early.
You drove here too.
I didn't know. I always come.
Different parking spot.
I check mid-session now.
You taught me that. Good. You'll do that forever.
I've never checked my brakes before. Not properly. I know. I've watched you ride.
I brought water for you both today.
Thank you, Lily. That is very kind.